guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess, nice to meet you if you're new. And I am back today with a BoxyCharm unboxing. I just got my box like half an hour ago, so we're doing this on time. Here's the box today. It is extra large. I kind of know why, but we'll get there. Before I get on to the unboxing, real quick, please do subscribe down below. I do a BoxyCharm unboxing monthly along with makeup tutorials, skincare advice, different kinds of videos. I have a video coming up. It's going to be 6 months of BoxyCharm. This is my 6th month. At some point, I'm going to be reviewing most of the products I have received, best and worst included, and it could help out if you're looking to buy add-ons in the future, or if you're just looking to buy these products in general. So I would love to have you join me for those. And after you've done that, on to the unboxing. Guys, so I have no idea what's in this except for my choice for the month. I don't know. Oh, this is not expected. It's gonna be okay. All right. Well, one good thing is that we have the card this month. The theme is boxyedgy. Last month we didn't get a card. We got emailed the card, but I like having a card because it tells me what I get. So that's nice. I'm gonna go in order according to the card. First product is the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. So they gave me a little slip for the iron as well as the actual curling iron. So this is a mini curling iron. It says it's salon quality, that it's safe for all hair types, maximum temperature of 370, I believe. And it costs $50, retail price $50. So this is the size. It is like not even the full height of my head, very small. If you have long hair, this might be harder for you to use. However, if you have shorter hair or if you want to just curl your bangs, this looks like it would be pretty neat for that. But there's that. Next up on the list is the Kat Von D Metal Crush Highlighter, and I have the shade Gold School. I love puns. So yeah, I have the shade Gold School. This is what it looks like. It says there is an ultrafine pearlescent fluid formula, good for soft and everyday radiance, that it's creamy but weightless and buildable. Now this is what the applicator looks like. It is a twisty bottom with a sponge applicator. You have to twist to get the product out, and once you get it out, it appears white at first. However, once you blend it on the skin, there is definitely gold in there. It has gold glitter, and I would not say this is an everyday kind of look. It actually reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife Highlight. It's very gold in certain lights. Good for glam days. But the glitter does move around, and I noticed when I tried to wipe this off, it was all over the place. So just a warning. All right, next up is the BoxyCharm Hello Charmer palette. I was not expecting an eyeshadow palette this month. I'm happy. I love eyeshadow palettes. This costs $39, and there is 12 matte and shimmering shades with a range of colors, so they say. This is how it looks. They did a great job with packaging. It is quite a large palette. I will open it just to show you, but I'm not going to touch it. Wait, I don't know if you can see that. Do you see that? The colors? Okay guys, I had to do a close-up here. Here is the outside of the palette. It is very nicely packaged, and here is the inside. These colors are very unique and very different. The color story allows you to do a lot of different types of looks. I'm afraid my camera can't capture the depth of the colors, but there's a lot of depth to it. You can't see it as much on the camera as in real life. These colors are very beautiful. This looks like a white satin shade. Charmer looks like a teal shade. Full size is a purple glitter. Exclusive is a bronze. Spoiler is an orange tone matte shade. Luxe is yellow gold. Unboxing is red. Sneak peek is, I want to say, neutral orange. Premium is like a tan to brown shade. Swipe up. Okay, this color is stunning. This is gorgeous. This is purple with blue reflect glitter. Really pretty. And pop up is a white shimmer, and there is Cup of Joe, which is a warm toned orange, e-red. Now I have tan skin, so I don't know how these will swatch on my skin or how they'll look, but it looks stunning. I hope it works. It looks great. That's a good one. Next up, we have the Becca Glow Gloss. It retails for $22. It's a luxe conditioning lip color that combines shine with nourishing, so it's a standard gloss. Now, I have the color Dahlia. Oh, I like that name. Gotta love a gloss. It helps you out. Oh my gosh, this color. First of all, I just wanted to know there is no separation in the lip gloss. If you ever see a product with separating colors or separation of substances of different densities, that indicates that it is old and possibly expired. But this has no separation of the sort, so just wanted to let you know that, because some people think these are always old products and stuff, but this one is brand spanking new. This color though, this is gorgeous. I don't have a lip gloss this dark. This looks really nice. This is like a cherry maroony red. I dig this. I'm a lip addict. I love lip products, so I will definitely be using this and letting you know how it goes. But especially on my skin, oh my gosh, this color would be so pretty. That's a good one. The last product is the Spongelé Body Wash Infused Buffer. It's French lavender scented. Costs $16. This is a body wash infused buffer, kind of like a sponge, which has body wash in it, which you use in the water, and it exfoliates your skin and leaves it soft. Good for 14 plus washes. Interesting. I don't know how I feel about that. I haven't really used anything like this, and I'm not huge on body washes. It says it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. I don't know. I'll let you know if I end up using this or not. That's fascinating to me. I have never even heard of this or a product like this. Have you heard of something like this? Let me know if you have. But yeah, guys, overall, that is my box. I am very pleased with the items this month. If anything, I think the only thing I won't really be using is the Spongelé sponge. Also, please tell me if it's not called Spongelé, because I think it just sounds fancy and French. I don't speak French. Yeah, this might be the only thing that I'm not gonna be using. I think everything else is very nice and something I could find some use for in some way, shape, or form. Other than that, they did a great job this month. I'm excited to use all these products. They have been fine-tuning it really well for me. I highly encourage anyone who's not getting what they like in their boxes to leave reviews on the website under their account. It does make a difference. It did for me. I'll explain in the 6-month video. But great, good job, BoxyCharm. And do stay tuned for my 6-month review. It's definitely going to help you out, especially if you are looking to buy add-ons in the future, or if you're looking to purchase products from previous BoxyCharm boxes. I'm going to review everything I can so you know what's the deal on them. But yeah, that is it for today. Please let me know if you liked the video and leave a like and subscribe down below. I would love to see you back. And I hope you're having a lovely day. You are beautiful, and see you guys next week. Bye. A body wash infused buffer which changes underwater when you squeeze from a exfoliating massage texture to soft as silk. What? I don't understand anything I just read. Oh, it's a sponge with the body wash in it. Oh.